Hello friends, welcome to my next video. In this video we will understand about the Maths ICSE chapter 3rd, square and square roots. So first we have to understand about that what is the square of a number or the square. The square of a number is the product obtained when a number is multiplied by itself. It means that when a particular number is multiplied by itself, then that product is called the square of that number. In other language, when a number is multiplied by itself, the product so obtained is called the square of that number. So for example, 4 is multiplied, 4 into 4, the product is 16. So 16 is the product of 4. So here same, if we multiplied 5 into 5, the product will be 25. So the 25 is the square of 5. So if we multiply 5 into 25 into 25, then the answer will be 625. Then 625 is the square of 25. Now, if the thing is that if there is a question that is the number in decimal, then in that situation there is no any problem. If there is an example of 0.5, so again we have to multiply it by a number itself. 0.5 into 0.5, the answer will be 0.25. So the 0.25 is the square of 0.5. Now another more examples of square are, I have written the 1 to 10 squares. So let's read. 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. 4 square means 4 into 4, 16. 5 square, 5 into 5, 25. 6 square, 6 into 6, 36. 7 square, 7 into 7, 49. 8 square, 8 into 8, 64. 9 square, 9 into 9, 81. 10 square, 10 into 10, 100. So these all are the basic squares that you have to learn. I hope that all you have cleared the concept of square. Now the concept of there is a square root. Now what is a square root? The square root of a given number is that number which is multiplied by itself gives the original number. In other words, the square root of a number x is the number whose square is x. So for an example, now we have to find the square of 36. So 6 6 are 36, and if you have to find the square of 36, then the answer will be 6, because if we multiplied the 6 into 6, then the answer will be 36. And if we have to find the square root of 36, then the answer will be 6. Square and square root is totally opposite. And now another example we can take, that the 625. We have to find the square root of 625. Then the answer will be 25, because 25 by 25 is equal to 625. So the square root of 625 is 25. So in some cases they ask that find the square root of any number by prime factorization method. For example, we can take 625. Find the square root of 625 by prime factorization method. So in that case, first we have to find out the LCM of 625 and find out the factors. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. 5 twos are 10, 2 carry, 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. And the factors of 625 are 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So in this prime factorization method, in the square root prime factorization method, second step to make the pairs of the factors. So first we have to make the pairs, 5 into 5 and 5 into 5. These are make pairs. Now 5, 5, 5, 5. Now 5 fives are 25. So the answer of that question, that the find out the square root of 625 is 25. Square root of 625 is 25. So this was the method to solve out any question of prime factorization method. So in exercise, the first part of the exercise is, by splitting into prime factors, find the square root of the following. So simply we have to find the square root of the given numbers. First number is 676. Now square 676 Then LCM 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, and next 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 13 13s are 169, and 13 1s are 13. Now the factors of 676 are 2 into 2, 13 into 13. Now we have to make the pairs 2 into 2 and 13 into 13, means 2 into 13. 13 2s are 26. So the answer is 26. Next, 1.96. So this is the tricky one. In this case there is a decimal, no problem. And now square 1.96. Now we have to remove the decimal. 196 over 100 square. Now first we have to find out the square root of 196 and then 100. 196 LCM, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. Next, secondly we have to find the square root of 100. 2 50s are 100, 2 25s are 50, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now write down the factors. First 196 factors are 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Next 100 factors are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So make pairs 2 7 upon 2 into 5. 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10. Now the statement was in decimal, so in answer we have to solve out in the decimal form. 14 over 10 in decimal 1.4. So our third question is 17 13 over 36. So this is the mixed fraction. First we have to put out the normal fraction. 625 over 36 is the normal fraction of this mixed fraction. Now firstly we have to find out the LCM of 625. 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 25s are 125, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. So the factors of 625 are 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, and the factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So then we have to make the pairs 5 into 5, 5, 2, 3, 5 into 5 and 2 into 3. 5 5s are 25, 3 2s are 6. Then the statement was in mixed fraction and the answer will be also given mixed fraction, 4 1 over 6. Clear? Now the fourth sum is 0.64. Again this is in decimal form. So first we have to change in the normal fraction. So the 0.64 in the normal fraction, 64 over 100. Firstly we have to find out the LCM of 64. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Then LCM of 100. 2 50s are 100, 2 25s are 50, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. LCM factors of 64 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And then factors of 100 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Then we have to make the pairs 2, 2 into 2, 2 and into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and then 5 2s are 10. So the question was in the decimal form. The answer will be also in the decimal form, that is 0.8. So I hope that you have clear all the fourth sum of the first part. So till here we will do. In next video we will do further sums of this chapter. So thanks for watching. Guys, please subscribe my video and press on the bell icon that all the new videos will come towards you first.